Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is our Aldi grocery haul for the week in addition to the meal plan for the family. Stay tuned. If you like all things Aldi and meal planning, please check out my channel and subscribe below. Okay, first thing first, I wanted to give a shout out to Marissa Claire from one of my previous videos who suggested the Friendly Farms Coconut Cream Creamer. I love this thing. If you like coconut, check it out. It is a very mild coconut taste, but it is just sweet enough that I don't even have to add sugar. So thank you so much. Just wanted to say thank you all so much for your suggestions as far as some products that you like at Aldi, some things we should try. I really do take them seriously, and because of you, we have enjoyed some really cool things from Aldi. So thank you. This is a new try for us. I've been kind of eyeing this for a few months. It's the mussels in tomato garlic sauce. I think that would be so great over the pane Tirano bread. Bought a bunch of bananas, the Friendly Farms almond milk, that's a standard for us, and the banana nut muffins this time because they were $1 off, and they're good. Some wavy potato chips. I like having that with some salsa, and the sweet tea this time versus the unsweetened. This is a new try for us. It's the chicken poblano ravioli. It's one of those seasonal items that comes every now and then. The Roma tomatoes were on sale, but they were not looking so hot, so decided to get the tomatoes on the vine. They were also out of English cucumbers, so got the regular cucumbers. Those are good too. The red bag chicken, of course, and a package of the Never Any Black Forest ham. My daughter loves these. She calls this round cheese. This is the Baby Bell in the 6-pack. And I bought some yogurts for my husband. This is the blueberry Greek non-fat yogurt. Bought some containers of strawberries. These have been looking humongous lately over the past month or so. And this will be a new try for me. I ordinarily love the really seedy bread from Kroger, their specially selected brand. I'm kind of hoping that this is very similar. I love breads that are really chewy and crunchy and got a lot going on. So, oh, look at that. That looks really delicious. Some regular hamburger buns this time, taking a little break from the brioche buns. And one of my favorite things to buy, the pane Tirano bread. This is really great for entrees, dinner, and lunch. Some broccoli crowns, a couple of mangoes that were on sale. I think they were something like 39 cents a piece. Another one of my favorites, the baby spinach and arugula mix. Some celery. I've already dug into this because I'm making a vegetable soup. Some cauliflower, and these were on sale. The Millville Chewy Dipped Bars. I got the chocolate chip and the peanut butter for my husband. Decided to give these a try. Ordinarily, we get the 30-gallon bags from Kroger, their Kroger brand, or the Target Up and Up brand. This is the Boulder large trash bags, and I've already decided to take one out and try it. These, I'll be honest, they seem kind of thin to me, so I'm a little bit concerned. I only bought 1 pack though, so I will give these a full go, and if they don't work, I will have to double up. And it's worth a shot though, because Aldi's always improving their products, and they used to have really terrible toilet paper, but several other brands are actually really good now. We usually get the Special K with strawberries dupe, but this week we're doing the Honey Crunch and Oat cereal. Package of zucchini, and I wanted to try a couple of their chocolate bars. Maybe I went shopping hungry, I don't know, but these look really delicious. This is the Choker Milk Hazelnut bar. I have not opened this, but I did open this. This one is in the soft pack. It's milk chocolate with almonds. Really lush and delicious, and they divided it in the package, so you can kind of pace yourself, I think. And yay, these came back. I've been waiting for these to come back, guys. This is not a new product from Aldi. These at least have been around for 5 years or so, ever since I've been shopping there. So this is the Southern Grove almonds that are dusted with cocoa. And as far as other meat this week, besides the red bag chicken, decided to try the Mediterranean herb Atlantic salmon, and also bought the Never Any chicken breasts. For the chicken breasts, I'm going to marinate them in this Tuscan Garden dressing that I bought from a previous Aldi haul. It's a Mediterranean dressing, so we're going Mediterranean this week. And as far as non-food items, I bought these planters. Aren't they gorgeous? I love, love, love them. And I did need some essential oils, so I thought I would give theirs a try. I really was in need of the orange oil and the lavender. I like to put them in the diffuser there, and it just makes the house smell amazing. And I do use peppermint oil too in the diffuser, or for headaches. Okay, last item I bought from Aldi is this cloth organizer. It just hangs from the door with a strong command hook. I think this will work really well. So if you need some storage for some towels, stuff like that, give it a try. I also saw these in like an off-white color. So this haul was over 2 trips. These are the receipts. So just freeze the screen if you're looking for something in particular. And as far as meal plan for the week, on Sunday we're going to do that Mediterranean seasoned salmon I showed you with some steamed broccoli and jasmine rice. On Monday, I have a few vegetables in the fridge that I need to use up, so we're going to have a veggie potato soup. I realize that potatoes are veggies as well. I like putting that in there to give me a sense of how much rice I'm eating, because sometimes it'll be a veggie rice soup, veggie potato soup, veggie pasta soup. Tuesday are the mussels in tomato sauce over pane Toronto bread. We will have a side of steamed cauliflower with that. Wednesday is the chicken marinated in Mediterranean dressing with a baked potato and cucumber salad. Thursday, we'll have the ravioli, the chicken poblano, with marinara and green beans. Friday will be Asian veggie burgers, which Aldi does sell. Those are really good if you like water chestnuts or ginger. Alongside that, we'll have macaroni salad. Saturday will be leftovers, which we probably will have. If not, we will order some Indian food. All right, so that is it for this week's Aldi haul. Let me know, guys, what meals you've been enjoying, what goodies you have found at Aldi lately. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.